Hey everyone, Fatty here from Pack a Punch Traders. Gonna make a quick video lesson going over my couple trades this morning, and just kind of a quick morning review in case I don't make another video lesson later. Let's jump in with my loss really quick. This was a really tiny loss, SIDU. This was a good call. Ended up being a good call if I traded it initially, but looking for that confirmation as I was waiting for. We're looking for an open price play over 395, holding VWAP for a test of the low fours to mid fours, and that's exactly what happened. I mapped it out on Twitter. As we can see here, I was expecting shorts to pack it. We got a huge gapper with some news, low float, low market cap, doing good volume. So I was just looking for the failure to break down, which is what we got here. And volume started picking up to the buy side, holding up above VWAP, coming back for an open price, reclaim over 395, and then shortly after you get your quick 10% move. So you just take your quick gains, especially in this market. Uh, got a little bit of a bounce here in the overall market, but still overall red, nothing looking great. So taking quick snipes, not sticking around for long in these plays. Uh, so this one here, just my fault for even entering. I got in at 419, got out at 410 when it cracked 411 here. I had my order set. But yeah, as you can see here, you got the volume exhaustion on the run up into whole dollar, half dollar level, which is key psychologically. We get a lower high, volume completely disappears, if we're being honest. There's just no volume compared to what it was doing just 10 minutes ago. And just not enough buyers holding it up. We get a lower high with some stronger selling coming through. And from there, it was just being patient for the crack at that point if you're a short seller. But, you know, weak volume, not enough holding it up in this consolidation area. And, you can see it with the indecision. You get a whole beautiful move from pre-market to the open, taken off, but now you're facing some choppiness on low volume after volume has been supplied here, and now it's exhausted. So it just shows there's not enough participants on the buy side to really hold this up and continue a move higher and squeeze shorts out, and you get this huge crack here. So my bad for even taking it. Not a good trade. It was a small starter, only 400 shares, so I only lost 36 bucks on it. Nothing crazy. And then it was made up for. Now I'm green a few $100 on BWV. Just an amazing play. Was seeing this on the live stream on tradecaster.com. Just keeping my eye on it ever since then. Saw that it held red green, made a higher low, held open price at 374. Started making a higher low. Not the best price action, but still holding trend. So I took some starters in this mess here in the 380s, and then we got a push higher. Added some more as it was approaching high at daybreak, and just moments later, just a few minutes later, my sell order at 430 gets executed. And the reason I chose 430 was because I'm looking for my quick snipe. So if my average is 388, we're looking for a quick 40 cents, really. And, I thought we could get another 2 cents from that, just round up to 430. I thought we would really get that. Um, so a little bit over a 10% trade right there. Not bad at all. So that was really it. Just looking for the momentum shift. Let's look at the daily chart. You got a perk. And this one was a speculative play, really, because usually on the front side moves here for the multi-day bounce, when I'm looking for this pattern like today, I look for a 150% spike or more. Great example, CYN from yesterday, which is one that I missed. So you get this crazy move from the low ones, getting into 6. So it really has a lot of eyes on it, a lot of people shorting it. Shorts are in there, and enjoying the downside move. Once you get the failure to continue lower and a momentum shift, I usually trade it as a high day break. So I missed the entry here at 350. Would have been a great entry. Ends up giving the spike that I wanted. Gave a little bit more than the 30% that I usually expect. out of these bounces from the previous close. That's how we measure that 30% from the previous close, not the open price. So, plays like this are what is possible with the multi-day bounce. So we just look for the huge run up, shorts to take over, and for the momentum shift, and for profit takers on the short side to come in when they see the trend change, and you get quick moves. So I took my quick snipe. Here we are trying to make another higher low and head on higher, but grateful for my quick move. 800 shares, a little bit over 300 bucks on this one. So nice play. Had it mapped out on Twitter. Here's the watch list right there. Mentioned everything I just talked about. Looking at quick 10-15. So executed this one perfectly. Did not execute SIDO nicely, as I should have recognized the failure and indecision and failure to really head higher with the volume. Just absolute fade after volume exhaustion. As I mentioned, that's just showing lack of participants on the buyer side. So yeah, only a good thing I could say I did with SIDU was my risk. I only had a starter of 400 shares, so I went in small, and I was only risking 9 cents. That's not bad at all. Where are we at? 2.1%. Yeah, we'll round it up to 2.2, and then I ended up taking right around 11% on the other one. So very nice stuff to finish filling this out. But I just wanted to make a quick video lesson going over these plays and my trades. So keeping the loss small, adding to the gainer as it's showing me that it's doing what I want. Adding more in here and taking the quick snipe, buying low, selling high. It's working out nicely. Choppy market, crappy day for the market too overall. So that's all you could really do. Just buy low, sell high at key levels. It's really important to read the volume too. So that's all I kind of got right now. If there's anything else later on, I'll make another video lesson. But for now, BWV saved my day from finishing it red. Finished the week nicely so far. If I'm done with it, 55%, not fantastic, but still green every single day of the week. Making a few hundred here and there. It adds up. All of a sudden, I'm up 1,300 on the week, and we just do that every single month, every single week, every day. Let your gains compound. Let these quick singles add up. Don't be over trading, especially in a market like this when odds aren't necessarily in your favor with the overall market tanking. So you might have 1, 2 plays here and there. So take advantage of them and lock in those profits. Have a great day.